Now, the one other thing that we need to match with our wireframe are the requirements. So let's add a field for that. Here we have the option to select from a number of different field types. We'll explore many of these throughout the series, but the names of most of them are pretty straightforward. What we're looking for here is some textual content that's long. So let's look at our options for text. We have plain long. Plain just means that it's plain text, and it won't use any WYSIWYG or formatting to present the content. Long means that it's a text area and not a text field. A text field is just a single line, and a text area is a big box that you can put content in. We have formatted, which means WYSIWYG, and options for displaying the content. Long, which means text area with summary. So this is tied in with that option that we just saw on the body or description field that allows editors to create a separate summary. List text. A list is going to be a select box or a list of radio buttons or checkboxes. That's not what we need. Text formatted. This is a text field, so a single line, but that includes formatting. So this includes the text formats that we saw earlier: basic HTML, restricted HTML, and full HTML. Text formatted long, which means we get the text format option and it's in a text area. And then text plain. Based on what our wireframe looks like, I think we need plain long. So we don't need any HTML, but we do need possibly a longer area for it. So I'm going to select that.